Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can extract multiple folder names to Excel file. So you know that copying one folder name is easy. So how do you copy multiple folder names together into Excel? So that's what we are going to do. So let's create a folder first and then we'll create multiple folders, naming folder A, B, C, etc. So let's create a few folder A. So let's create multiple folders. Yeah, let's rename. Just for the testing purpose, we'll create some 4 or 5 folders. B1, I think this is enough. Yeah, we have 6 folder. So how do you extract the folder? See, if it's just one folder, we can right click, rename, copy that A1 name. So if there are thousands of folders, and how do you copy the names of folders? So for that, you need to select the folder names you wanted to extract to Excel. You need to select all the folders. Then hold on to your shift button. Hold your shift button. Do not release the shift button. Just hold the shift button after selecting the folder, then right click, keeping the shift button on hold. So if you keep the shift button on and right click, you'll see a separate feature or an extra detail called copy as path. So if you just click, if you just select without clicking the shift button and right click it, you will not see that copy as path will not appear. But click if you hold on to shift and right click it, yeah, you'll see that option copy as path. Just click that option. Yeah. Then you can leave it. Then take your Excel file. Then what you need to do is you can just place it over here. Click the first cell and write Control V. I'm going to paste it here. Yeah. Now as you see, including the folder name, the folder path has been copied. So if you see here, see user Samsung desktop new folder. So this is my folder path. So that entire folder path is created along with the uh, folder names, which appears at the last. So you need only the folder names to begin with. Okay, you don't need the entire path. What we can do, you can just trim it. There are multiple formulas, but I would suggest there is an easier method you can do that. That's by selecting the A column, uh, go to data, then there is an option called text columns. Yeah, text columns. Click text columns. Since till new folder the path length is same, we can just select fixed width and then click next. We'll just remove the limiters here. You can place any number of limiters, but we need only one limiter that should be placed right after this folder, new folder name. Yeah, we need only the folder names like A1 copy, B1, B2, C and D. So I'm just placing one limiter here. If you see here, there is only one delimiter I placed. I've removed the other delimiters and then I'm clicking next. General, yeah, we need just general one. We are not splitting based on any date or anything. Yeah, I'm just, so you can just preview here, data preview. So general, so if you selected general, A1 copies, all the names will be done. So let's click finish. Yes. Now you can remove the first column. Yeah, you can add one folder names. So guys, I hope you like this video, and this explains how you can select multiple folder names and copy that and paste it into your Excel sheet. Yeah, I hope this video help you guys, in figuring out some for some practical solution for some problems. Yeah. So please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Thank you.